welcome to TC Electronics. So this video we are going to see a recruitment news from Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited. So this is the site for Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation, and on the career link on the career icon, just click on this recruitment 2021 and you will get the notification. Okay, so I'm just giving you the idea on where to click. Okay, so let us see the recruitment news from Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited. I've already opened the notification link here. Okay, so there is a recruitment happening for assistant manager, that is actually executive category. The non-executive category, they are recruiting station controller cum train operator and also for maintainer. Okay, so let us see the details. First one, assistant manager operations. The salary is starting from 50,000 to 1,60,000 will be the scale of pay. So 50,000 will be the basic. Number of vacancies, 6 vacancy, and the qualification, this actually for exclusively for electronics branch. B BTech in electrical or electronics and communication or equivalent from the recognized university with 60% of mark if you are belonging to general category and 50% of mark for SC. Okay, so that is a qualification requirement. Age limit is 21 to 28 years. And medical standard also they are saying executive as per the standards. Technical, okay, medical, it's actually executive technical. So, and before seeing the details, the last date they have actually given here itself, the last date for registration is 2/4, that is April 2nd is the last date for applying. Okay, so please to apply for it before that. Okay, so we have seen the executive category, the salary, age limit, qualification, everything we have seen. Next, let us see the non-executive category. First one is station controller. Salary is ranging from 33,000 onwards. 186 vacancies there. This is actually a very big recruitment. Okay, 186 vacancies, 3 years engineering diploma in electrical or electronics and telecommunication or equivalent. So other branches of electronics are also likely to apply with again 60% of mark if you are belonging to OBC and general category, 50% of mark for SC/ST. Okay, then age limit is 21 to 28 years. Then next, maintainer electrical, then maintainer S&T, maintainer civil. These three categories they are recruiting. Again, these are coming under non-executive category. Salary ranging from 19,500 onwards. For electrical, 52 vacancies there. Then for S&T, 24 vacancy, civil 24. Now the qualification they are asking is ITI in the respective branches. Age limit is 21 to 28 years. Okay. So these are the posts for which they are recruiting. These are permanent jobs. Okay. So many people do ask me in the comment section regarding whether the job is permanent or not. This is permanent jobs. Okay. But the initial 2 years you will be under probation. Mostly all government organization will be recruiting people like this. First year or the first 2 years will be probation period, right? Here also just like that. And also people from Uttar Pradesh and other cities can apply for this post. Okay. Now let us see the details of qualification once again. See the qualification while applying for the post is minimum education qualification as per this given columns. Okay. And also they are mentioning the 60% thing once again here. So 60% is compulsory. Okay. Again, this comment also I get in the comment section. I have this much of percentage, can I apply? Clearly, they have mentioned here only if you have 60% of mark and you are belonging to underserved categories, you should have 60% of mark or above. Only then you are eligible to apply. SC/ST people require only 50% of mark. Okay. So that is the specific qualification requirement. Now, talking about the selection process, that also they have given here in detail. For the executive category, selection methodology is consisting of 2 stages, written test followed by document verification and medical examination. Okay. So first one, that is only written test is there. After that, there is medical and document. So only the major thing is only written examination. There is no interview. Okay. I hope it is clear. Next one, is for station controller cum train operator, 3 stage of selection. So this category is actually for diploma. Okay. So for this recruitment, if you have BTech or if you have diploma or if you have ITI, all the categories are having openings. Okay. So selection methodology will comprise of 3 stages: written test, then psychological aptitude test, and medical examination, document verification. Okay. So again, the major thing is only written test, and also an aptitude test is there. Then last post for maintainer, it consists of 2 stages: written test followed by document verification and medical examination, just like for the executive category. Okay. I hope the selection process is clear to you. So that's all about the selection process. Now let us see the exam centers. Everything they have actually given here. Now the written test, the methodology of written test also they have given here. It is a computer-based test and it will be held for 1 or more days. The question paper will be in English and Hindi, and it consists of multiple choice questions from English language, general awareness, logical ability, quantitative aptitude. There will be total 140 questions for the first category. Then there will be 100 questions for the second category. There will be negative marking for wrong answer, and it will be 1/3 of the correct answer. That is 1/3 mark will be deducted, and the examination will be for 2 hours. Okay. So that's all about the details of examination. Okay, the exam pattern also they have given here. Next is the uh, exam centers. Okay, the computer-based test will be happening on Lucknow, Kanpur, Agra, Varanasi, Meerut. So mostly all these states in Noida, then Ghaziabad, Aligarh. For all these states, mostly the states is actually in UP. Okay, so for all these states there will be exam centers. Okay, next. Also, they have given here about the surety bond that you have to deposit. So some organizations will ask for this surety bond, so that you have to work for a certain period of time in the organization. So that's why they are actually keeping this surety bond. Okay. For the executive category and for the non-executive categories, they have given it separately. Now, talking about the probation period that I have told you in the beginning itself, first 2 years will be probation period. Okay. Pay scale we have already seen in detail, and also there is age relaxation. Age limit we have already seen, but also there is age relaxation for all the reserved categories. Okay. As per the rules of Government of India. Now, talking about the application procedure, this is the site you have to follow. I'll be putting this in the description box. You can directly apply from there. This is the application form link, or this link you have to follow, and you have to fill an online application form for applying for this post. And there is fees for applying. The fees is 590 rupees for unreserved category and OBC, and for SC/ST it is 236 rupees. Okay, so this is the fee detail. And another important things also they have given here in detail. So the last date we have already seen, it is 2nd of April is the last date. So if you're interested in this job, this is actually a permanent job. They are not asking any experience or anything. So if you're interested, please do see the notification detail. Everything they have actually given in a very ordered manner, so that you can go through it and get a very good idea. So if you're interested, please to apply for it as soon as possible. So that's all about the recruitment news from Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited. So if you are interested, please to apply for it. So if you found this video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.